Okay, so welcome to the second part of our special product, which is the square of trinomial. Ayan, so dumadami na yung ating terms dito. So this time, ang i-square naman daw natin ay si trinomial. Trinomial means we have 3 terms. By the way, paano nga pala natin nalalaman kung ilang terms yon? Each term is separated by a sign. So this time, we have a plus b plus c squared. So we have 3 terms squared. Okay, so what is now the formula for finding the square of a trinomial? Okay, so we have here the given formula. A squared plus b squared plus c squared. So that means we just have to square all the given terms here in our trinomial. So a squared, b squared, c squared. Plus twice the product of a and b. So twice the product of a and b. Plus twice the product of bc. So 2 times BC this time, and then plus twice the product of AC. So 2 times AC. Okay, so natandaan ba? So let's have an example. So let's say we have example number 1. We have x minus 2y plus 3z. And then, naka-squared silang lahat. Okay, so by following our formula, first is-squared muna natin yung lahat ng given term. So, x squared plus negative 2y squared plus 3z squared plus, okay, so naka-squared na lahat ng given term natin. This time, yung may mga times 2 naman. So, next term is twice the product of A and B. So, that is our first and second term. So, 2 times our first term is x and second term is negative 2y. Okay? And then plus, dito na natin siya ilagay ha. 2 times BC. So, that is our second and last term. So, 2 times our second term is 2y. Third term is 3z. Okay? And then plus 2 times AC. So, plus 2 times our first and last term. Our first term is x. And our last term is 3z. Okay, so nakakasunod pa ba? Kayang-kaya natin to. So this time, let's just simplify our answer. So let's just copy our first term, that's x squared. Simplify our second term, negative 2y squared. So that is positive 4y squared. Plus 3z squared. So 3 times 3 is 9z squared. Okay, next. Let's now multiply 2 times x times negative 2y. Since magkaiba yung sign nila, so our sign will also become negative. So negative 2 times 2 is 4xy. Okay, next term. Plus 2 times negative 2 times 3. So, ilan yan? 2 times 2 is 4 times 3 is 12. And since negative, may negative sign din siya, so positive times negative, that is negative as well. So, negative 12yz. And then, our last term, that is 2 times x times 3z. So, 2 times 3 is 6xz. O, diba? Madali lang. So, this is now our final answer. X squared plus 4y squared plus 9x squared minus 4xy minus 12yz plus 6xz. Okay, so let's have another example. So, nalilito pa ba? So, let's just have another example. Sabi nga nila, practice makes perfect. So, let's just practice at makakabisado din natin itong formula. Okay, so let's just have another example. So, let's say we have 2x plus 3y. Then, let's say minus 4z. Ayan. And then, let's just square it. Okay? So, once again, our first step is to square lahat ng term sa ating given trinomial. So, 2x squared natin siya. And then, yung second term, 3y squared natin ulit siya. And then, yung third term, minus 4z squared ulit natin siya. Okay, so naka-squared na lahat ng term. Okay, so let's have our next term. So 2 times a and b. So that is our first and second term. So plus 2 times 2x times 3y. So 2 times 3 is 6xy. Plus 2 times second and last term. So, second term is 3y times negative 4z. So, that is negative 12yz. Alright. And then, our last term is plus 2 times ac. So, this time, we have the first and the last term. So, first term is 2x times negative 4c. So, that is negative 8xz. Okay? So, let's now simplify our answer. So, 2x squared, that is 4x squared plus 3y squared. So, that is 3 times 3 is 9y squared. And then, negative 4y squared. Negative times negative. So, magiging positive na yung sign natin. 4 squared is 16. So, 16z squared. Plus 2 times 6xy. So, that is 12xy. Plus 2 times negative 12yz. So, our sign will be negative since magkaiba yung sign. So, negative 24yz. And then, 2 times negative 8xz. Again, since magkaiba yung sign, so this will become negative 16xz. Okay? So, this is now our final answer. 4x squared plus 9y squared plus 16y squared plus 12xy negative 24yz negative 16xz. So, this is now our final answer. Okay, so thank you so much for watching my video. Sa susunod, magkakaroon tayo ng short review about sa rule ng exponents. And kung meron kayong topic na gustong i-discuss, just leave a comment below. Thank you so much once again. This is Mami She, and have a great day, everyone.